Deep within the lush landscapes of Jamaica, where the vibrant greens of the forests meet the azure blues of the Caribbean Sea, lies a mystery, a whisper of a people who vanished long ago. These ancient inhabitants have left behind enigmatic traces, hidden within the dense foliage and rugged terrain. They are known as the Redware People, an ancient culture that thrived on the island centuries before the arrival of Europeans. Their existence predates the well-known Tainos civilization, adding another layer to Jamaica's rich tapestry of history. Named for their distinctive red pottery, these early Jamaicans have left behind a tantalizing trail of artifacts, each piece a clue to their way of life. The Redware pottery, with its unique designs and craftsmanship, speaks volumes about their daily activities, trade practices, and artistic expressions, offering us glimpses into their lives and culture. Through meticulous excavation and study, archaeologists have uncovered tools, pottery, and remnants of their dwellings, painting a picture of a sophisticated and resourceful people. Though much about them remains shrouded in the mists of time, their legacy endures through the artifacts they left behind. These relics not only tell us about their existence, but also about their interactions with the environment and other cultures. Their story is a vital part of understanding Jamaica's rich and complex history. By piecing together the fragments of their past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the island's diverse heritage and the many cultures that have shaped it over millennia. The Redware people were skilled farmers cultivating the fertile soils of Jamaica to sustain their communities. They grew crops like cassava, sweet potatoes, and maize, staples that provided essential carbohydrates. Hunting and fishing supplemented their diet, utilizing the island's diverse ecosystems to their advantage. Their ability to adapt and thrive in Jamaica's varied environment speaks to their deep understanding of the land and its resources. They lived in harmony with nature, their lives intricately woven into the island's ecological tapestry. Perhaps the most enduring legacy of the Redware people is their pottery. Fashioned from the island's clay and fired to a rich, earthy red, these vessels were not merely utilitarian objects, but works of art. Intricate designs, often geometric or inspired by nature, adorned their surfaces, showcasing the artistic sensibilities of their creators. These pots served a variety of purposes, from storing food and water to cooking and ceremonial rituals. Each piece tells a story, a silent testament to the skill and ingenuity of the Redware artisans. Despite the clues left behind, much about the Redware people remains unknown. Their language, beliefs, and social structures are still being pieced together by archaeologists and historians. We can only speculate about their rituals, their stories, and their understanding of the world around them. Their disappearance adds another layer of intrigue, leaving us with more questions than answers. Who were these enigmatic people, and what forces led to their demise? Vanished without a trace. Theories behind the disappearance. The exact reasons for the Redware people's disappearance are still debated, but several theories have been proposed. Some believe they may have succumbed to disease brought by migrating groups. Others speculate that environmental changes or natural disasters could have disrupted their way of life. It's also possible that they were gradually assimilated into other indigenous groups over time. The lack of definitive answers only deepens the mystery surrounding this ancient culture. Echoes of the past. Evidence of trade and interaction. Though much about their interactions with other groups remains uncertain, evidence suggests that the Redware people were not entirely isolated. They were part of a broader network of trade and cultural exchange that spanned across the Caribbean. The discovery of artifacts from other Caribbean islands, such as shell beads and stone tools, indicates the existence of trade networks and cultural exchange. These items, found far from their places of origin, tell a story of movement and connection among ancient communities. These interactions likely played a role in shaping Redware culture, introducing new ideas and technologies to their communities. The exchange of goods was not just about material items, but also about the sharing of knowledge, skills, and traditions. The extent of these networks and their impact on redware society is an ongoing area of research. Scholars are continually uncovering new evidence that sheds light on the complexity and reach of these ancient trade systems. By studying these artifacts and their origins, researchers hope to piece together a more comprehensive picture of how these early societies interacted and influenced one another. The maritime nature of the Caribbean likely facilitated these exchanges, with early seafaring vessels enabling the movement of goods and ideas across the island. Navigation tools and maritime knowledge would have been crucial for these journeys, highlighting the advanced skills of these ancient peoples. Beyond trade, these interactions would have included social and cultural exchanges, such as community gatherings, storytelling, and rituals. These activities help to strengthen bonds between different groups and foster a sense of shared identity and mutual respect. Modern researchers continue to explore these ancient connections, using advanced technologies and methodologies to analyze artifacts and excavation sites. Their work is crucial in uncovering the rich tapestry of interactions that shape the history and culture of the Redware people and their neighbors. Unearthing the truth, archaeology's role in understanding the Redware. Archaeological excavations continue to shed light on the Redware people, slowly revealing the secrets of their past. Each shard of pottery, each tool unearthed, each ancient dwelling site discovered brings us closer to understanding their lives and culture. Through careful analysis and interpretation, archaeologists are piecing together the fragments of their story, reconstructing a picture of who they were and how they lived. The enduring legacy Redware pottery's influence on Jamaican culture. While the Redware people may be gone, their legacy lives on, most notably through their pottery. The tradition of Redware pottery continues to thrive in Jamaica, a testament to the enduring influence of this ancient craft. Modern artisans draw inspiration from the designs and techniques of their ancestors, keeping the Redware artistic spirit alive. The vibrant colors and distinctive style of Redware pottery have become synonymous with Jamaican culture, a tangible link to the island's rich artistic heritage. A call to action preserving the past for future generations. As we delve deeper into the history of the Redware people, it becomes increasingly crucial to protect and preserve their remaining archaeological sites. These sites are not just remnants of the past, they are invaluable resources for understanding Jamaica's cultural heritage. By supporting archaeological research and promoting responsible tourism practices, we can help ensure that the story of the Redware people continues to be told for generations to come. To conclusion, the Redware people, a vital thread in Jamaica's tapestry. The story of the Redware people is a reminder that history is often a tapestry woven from fragments, whispers of the past waiting to be heard. These ancient inhabitants of Jamaica, known for their distinctive red pottery, have left behind clues that speak volumes about their way of life, their skills and their interactions with the environment. Their pottery, characterized by its unique red hue, is not just a testament to their craftsmanship, but also a window into their daily lives, their rituals and their social structures. Though much about them remains a mystery, their legacy endures, enriching our understanding of Jamaica's pre-colonial past. Archaeologists and historians continue to piece together the puzzle of their existence, uncovering artifacts that shed light on their culture and their contributions to the island's history. Each discovery, whether it's a fragment of pottery or a tool, adds a new layer to our understanding, painting a more comprehensive picture of who the Redware people were and how they lived. As we continue to uncover their story, we gain a deeper appreciation for the island's rich cultural mosaic, a tapestry woven from the contributions of diverse peoples across time. The Redware people, with their unique cultural practices and artistic expressions, are an integral part of this mosaic. Their influence can be seen in the traditions and customs that have been passed down through generations, blending with those of other cultures to create the vibrant and diverse heritage that Jamaica is known for today. The Redware people, though long gone, remain a vital thread in this tapestry, their story forever intertwined with the history of Jamaica. Their legacy is a testament to the enduring human spirit and the ways in which our ancestors have shaped the world we live in. By studying their artifacts and learning about their lives, we not only honor their memory but also gain valuable insights into the resilience and creativity of the human spirit. The Redware people remind us that every piece of history, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the larger narrative of our shared past.